Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili potato using French fries. First, gather your ingredients, including about 500 grams of frozen French fries, 1 bell pepper, and 1 onion. Next, prepare your sauce by combining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Finally, cook your French fries according to package directions until they are perfectly crispy and golden brown, ready for the next step in this delicious recipe. Now, let's get those flavors mingling. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Add your diced bell peppers and onions, sautéing them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are slightly tender but still retain a bit of crunch. Then, pour in your pre-mixed sauce, stirring well to coat the vegetables. Let it simmer gently for approximately 1 minute, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully before the next step. It's time for the star of the show. Carefully add your crispy, golden French fries into the pan with the simmering sauce and sautéed vegetables. Gently toss everything together, ensuring each fry is thoroughly coated with the delicious, spicy sauce. This step is crucial for that perfect chili potato experience. Once evenly coated, transfer your chili potato to a serving dish. Garnish with fresh chopped cilantro or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an extra touch of flavor. Your delicious homemade chili potato is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately as a fantastic snack or a flavorful appetizer. Remember, you can always adjust the spice level to your liking by adding more or less chili sauce when preparing the mixture. This recipe is versatile and can be customized for everyone. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned, please look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.